Welcome back to our channel Online Infotech SDS. Highlights of Budget 2024, Old and New Regime. Yesterday, the 22nd July 2024, our Union Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman announced the latest budget for the year 2024. The main update in the new tax regime is standard deductions for salaried people and pensioners is proposed to be increased to 75,000 from rupees 50,000 present. Family pension deduction for pensioners is proposed to be hiked to rupees 25,000 from the present rupees 15,000. Further, the tax structure in the new regime is proposed to be revised as follows. From 0 to 3 lakhs, no tax. From 3 lakhs 1 to 7 lakhs, 5%. From 7 lakh 1 to 10 lakhs, 10%. From 10 lakh 1 to 12 lakhs, 15%. And 12 lakh 1 to 15 lakhs, 20%. And above 15 lakhs, 30%. In the previous budget, it was 0 to 3 lakhs, no tax. 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs, 5%. This time 7 lakhs மாற்றிருக்காங்க. அப்புறம் 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs இருந்தது, 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs மாற்றி 10%. அடுத்தது 9 lakhs to 12 lakhs இருந்தது, 10 lakhs 1 to 12 lakhs 15%. அதுக்கப்புறம் உள்ள ரெண்டும் சேம். Further, rebate under section 87A will be the same as before, that is rupees 25,000 or the income tax payable whichever is less up to 7 lakhs, no tax. Income tax for 7 lakhs or rupees 25,000 whichever is less. In case of old regime, the rebate will be rupees 12,500 as before. That is up to rupees 5 lakhs, there will be no tax in old regime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Online Infotech SDS.